Backline, dismounted.
They dismounted. Spread. Careful front line. Spread.
Ballista, please.
Careful front line.
Did you mark their color?
Careful front line. Careful. They have a hodge. Careful. Come back northwest. Come northwest. Pull them. Come northwest. Pull them, please. Pull them. I need to pull them. You cannot be playing on that choke. It's a very fucking ugly choke. I'm more steady. Are they passing through?
They're not.
Hold on your west side.
I see their color.
Passing. Yo, step up now. Spread. Yo, give me a fake. Hold. Yo, spread. Yo, listen, brothers walking. They're gonna walk in deep. Careful west side. Walk in. Defend north. Look at the choke. Okay, wait. Shadow on top me. Get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shadow top me now. Top me now. Now walk in. Don't think west side. Walk in. Walk in east side. The people dying on the west side. Fuck you. Come here. Okay. Take space east side. Brawl. Spread east side. Okay. Spread east side. Take space. Okay, now walk northwest now. 6 seconds we're gonna engage again. Keep stacking on them. Come north. Ready defend channel. Come north now. Walk north now. Heal up. Get ready. North. Get ready. On top of me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top of me now. I know. Spread and walk in. Careful. They're on the west side. Okay, they're on the west side. Come southeast side here. Careful. Defend. Yo, heal up. Yo, do better, guys. Hello. Wake up. Everyone get ready. Look at southeast. Wait. Nice skill. Yo, Marlika, come to me now. Boys, come to me now. Look at west side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West side now. Headbutt. Yo, heal up. No, walk in and spread. Walk in. Keep pushing them, boys. Push them. Brawlers walk in. Push them and spread inside of them. Don't stay on one side, boys. Walk in and spread. Spread inside of them, boys. Spread inside of them.
Dota locking.
Ready defense middle. No, spread. Get out middle. Marika, get ready. Look at the crowd. Everything on the crowd. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on the crowd now. No, spread fast. Get out of middle.
They haven't engaged yet.
Get out of middle. Careful and spread. Okay. Get out of middle. Careful. Peel up. Ready defenses. Yeah, 5 seconds. Get ready. Look at the jump. Okay. Walk southeast. Get ready. Give me a fake now. You're ready. Everything on the juggernaut. Southeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on the jump now. Jump now. Now spread. Careful west side. Heal up. Listen, walk south. Keep walking south. You're not ready. Defend.
In the middle.
Oh, no, walk in. Keep walking in. Heal up on my people. You're ready. 7 seconds. We're gonna engage, Joy. Keep walking on the ground. Stay on top of them. Tank CC this on top of me. Get ready. Everything on top of me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on top me now. More damage. Now spread. Keep pushing them west side. They're gonna turn soon. They're gonna turn. Careful southeast.
Heal west.
Malika, get ready. Find me. Find the ground. 6 seconds. We're gonna engage, okay? 6 seconds. We're gonna engage. Defend inside. Yo, boys, come on, tanks. Can you guys watch that shit? Yo, come north. Get ready. Malika, northwest.
Walk north.
Hit northwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest now. Bro, where's the damage? You're so slow. Now spread. Spread and heal up. Okay. Spread. Okay, come southeast here. Come southeast side. Tanks saw them. Careful. Spread southeast side. Okay, spread southeast. Just hold here. Spread only. Careful. Malika. Wait. Hold. Come south. Pass your choke. Listen. Pass your choke south. Tanks saw them. Pass your choke. They're gonna look. Kick them south. Kick them south. Tanks saw them. Kick them south. Defend now. Get ready. Portion. Inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Headbutt inside. Now spread fast, come northwest, spread 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 northwest, boys, spread northwest, spread northwest. Heal up, pass, spread northwest, spread northwest. Heal up, get ready, okay? Marika, get ready, find me, northeast. Find me, east side, find me east side fast, DPS, all my DPS, find me. 6 seconds on the choke, east side, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, east side now. Now come back. Spread. You're gonna counter. Spread and walk in. Be on top of them. Spread. Heal up. They miss. Walk in east. DPS, walk in east. Keep walking. Spread. Careful middle. Walking. Marika, find me now. 6 seconds. Look at deep east. By the wall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, everything by the wall. No, spread. GG's. Comes out. GG's. Comes out. GG's.
Patay pa si Apoch na yung legend ko.
Comes out is to choke.